ہیومین ٹچ کے زیر اہتمام اڑان 2026 کا اسکالرشپ ڈسبرسمنٹ پروگرام کامیابی کے ساتھ منعقد کیا گیا، جس میں مستحق طلبہ میں تعلیمی وظائف تقسیم کیے گئے۔ پروگرام کا مقصد نمایاں کامیابی حاصل کرنے والے محنتی طلبہ کی تعلیمی ضروریات میں مدد کرنا اور انہیں اعلیٰ تعلیم جاری رکھنے کے لیے حوصلہ دینا ہے۔ منتظمین کے مطابق اس سال تقریباً 300 طلبہ کو اسکالرشپس دی گئیں اور مجموعی طور پر 30 لاکھ روپے سے زائد کی رقم تقسیم کی گئی۔ ہر منتخب طالب علم کو 10,000 روپے کا اسکالرشپ دیا گیا۔ اسکالرشپ کے لیے طلبہ کے انتخاب کا عمل تفصیلی اور کئی مراحل پر مشتمل تھا۔ بڑی تعداد میں موصول درخواستوں کی ابتدائی جانچ کے بعد طلبہ کے لیے 85% کا کٹ آف مقرر کیا گیا، جس کے تحت طلبہ کو ترجیح دی گئی۔ اس پروگرام کے تحت انڈر گریجویٹ اور پوسٹ گریجویٹ دونوں سطحوں کے طلبہ کی معاونت کی گئی۔ انتخاب کے دوران پہلے طلبہ کے ٹیلی فون انٹرویوز کیے گئے۔ شارٹ لسٹڈ امیدواروں کو 1-on-1 انٹرویو کے لیے مدعو کیا گیا۔ منتظمین نے بتایا کہ اگر مزید عطیات دستیاب ہوتے تو اس پروگرام کے ذریعے مزید مستحق طلبہ کی مدد ممکن تھی۔ اس کے باوجود اڑان 2026 میں بڑی تعداد میں طلبہ کو تعلیمی معاونت فراہم کر کے کمیونٹی میں تعلیم کے فروغ کے عزم کا اظہار کیا گیا۔ پروگرام میں سابق طلبہ کے تاثرات بھی شامل کیے گئے۔ اس موقع پر نازیہ مسعود نے طلبہ کی تعلیم، سوشل میڈیا کے بڑھتے ہوئے اثرات اور مستقبل میں ملازمتوں کے لیے درکار عملی مہارتوں پر بھی گفتگو کی گئی۔ انہوں نے کہا کہ طلبہ کو صرف سوشل میڈیا، انسٹاگرام، یوٹیوب اور آن لائن انفلوئنسر سے متاثر ہونے کے بجائے حقیقی زندگی کے تجربات حاصل کرنے، تنقیدی سوچ اپنانے اور درست فیصلے کرنے کی صلاحیت پیدا کرنی چاہیے۔ عملی اور پیشہ ورانہ مہارتیں بھی حاصل کرنی چاہیے۔
السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ۔ Alhamdulillah, today we have just successfully concluded our annual scholarship program, which we have given this year to about 312 students. We've dispersed over 30 lakh rupees as scholarships, where each deserving student gets a scholarship of 10,000 rupees. And this has been done with a long procedure where we have actually filtered our students from a longer list of students. And if we had more donations, we would have been able to do more. But we had to filter. We took the best students. We kept our cutoff percentage as 85%. So it was only distinction students from all walks of life. We've given undergraduate and postgraduate students scholarships of 10,000 rupees each. We've done a filtering process. We've had a telephonic interview with the students. After that, a one-on-one interview. We've filtered after the telephonic interview. Then we've got them to, the filtered students have come in for a one-on-one. And along with the one-on-one session, we've also given them a little career guidance. We've conducted courses for upskilling, short, like 2-hour, 3-hour courses over the year. And we would like more students to take this up, and we would like more volunteers to come and do this kind of skilling courses.
Yeah, Alhamdulillah. Today we have given out scholarships to 300 students at 10,000 rupees each. And our keynote speaker was Mrs. Noor Fatima, who has given them a good perspective on the Islamic way of life to be inculcated into their daily life. No, our guests were Mrs. Noor Fatima and Mr. Arif Vakil. And also we had our distinguished guests, Mr. Zakaria Hashim, Mr. Almaz Baba Seth, Mr. Munawwar Seth, and also we had Dr. Sumayya. No, see, the first thing is we want them to build up their own careers, to improve their families. See, most of these children come from underprivileged families, so they have to help their families and they have to stand on their feet. We guide the children to take up careers, to take up a job after their college, before they get married, so that they are economically independent. And we want them to give back to society by way of helping their, whether it's their cousins or their neighbors, by giving tuition and being good human.
So, hello everyone. I'm Arfa Rida A, and I'm studying in Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering. I'm currently pursuing my third year engineering in CSE. And this scholarship has benefited me a lot. Actually, from first year, I'm receiving this scholarship, and it has been actually difficult due to financial conditions to actually pursue my studies. But from Humane Touch Trust, it was a really beneficial one, and I hope after achieving something in my life, I come back to this platform and then help each and everyone in need, and then encourage everyone to join here. And being a volunteer, it feels surreal, and I'm so happy about it.
Good afternoon. My name is Tarun K. I'm from MS Ramaya Medical College. I'm studying third year MBBS. So this scholarship will help me a lot for my NEET PG studies. So for NEET PG, it will help me a lot. And for my hostel mess and all, it will help me a lot. Thanks for Human Touch for providing me the scholarship. I'll be grateful to you all.
Hello, my name is Tasmia and I'm doing my engineering, which is my third year in the electronics and communication at the Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Technology. And I'm really grateful for each and every donor here who actually sponsors my education. It's definitely been a wonderful time for me collaborating with Human Touch. I also do volunteer here, which is too much of fun. And I would encourage my other fellow mates as well to join us. And the best thing about this scholarship is I usually don't find difficulty in paying my fees, which is the best thing here. And I can only keep focused on what I do, which is what I do is studies. So thank you to everyone present here.
बस माशाल्लाह ज़बरदस्त इवेंट थी. तज़ीन आपा, Human Touch, they're doing phenomenal work for almost 25 years. And as one student said, that may Allah increase her life, may Allah increase her strength. I say may Allah increase her bank balance also, so that she continues to provide support to the so many who need it, alhamdulillah. The thing, my message is, of course, the job market is changing so rapidly, and whatever skills that they learn will not necessarily be useful and valuable sometime later. Earlier, writing, drafting, art, still very useful, valuable skills, but now AI and ChatGPT has killed it. And skill number one is never to stop learning. Continue learning continuously and always keep upgrading yourself. Skill or not skill number two, I would say application number two, apply what you have learned. So I would really encourage them, and what I shared is to go out and create something which has their name on it. If they are studying computer applications, computer science, find a problem that has not been solved, go ahead, solve it with via an app or via some other application. If there is a company that is struggling out there, create an Instagram account for it. Then there is so much that can be done at a micro market level. It doesn't have to be huge. Another example that's there, just find people in your home who are providing small services that you can expand that market, so that those services are not just within their street, but go expand within their own, higher in their locality.
That's a great question, because we see information that the algorithm keeps feeding us and we don't know what is right, what is wrong. I think the best way for children to decide what is correct or what they want to follow, the path they want to take, is only through experience and going out there and living it, not sitting behind their phone and only deciding a topic or making a choice based on some information, but going out there and experiencing real life. Like our speaker said today also, you can have a world of knowledge, but till you don't match it with experience or being on the field, you really don't know the truth of the workplace, the society, of anything. So I would recommend students to put their phones down and go engage in the real world in whatever way you want to, and that would help you make choices, make decisions that are fully informed. I think there are two reasons. Children are first choosing streams of education without fully understanding what are the possibilities after, or what are the opportunities that truly exist. And secondly, I feel in spite of education, it is not enough. Textbook knowledge or college knowledge is not enough. And that's why good companies who want really worthy students don't only look at your marks. They look at skills beyond that. And which is why, very importantly, we have started the upskilling courses to teach them things like AI, financial literacy, how to even build a good resume, how to do a good interview, because colleges are not training us for these things. So this could also be the reason why our students don't pick the right streams, and then they don't know how to present themselves right for the job or do more than just their degree to get a job.